Okay, so we are back with another stream, guys. I know it's a Sunday, so but still, and it's pretty early in the morning, but we can kind of have a productive Sunday also, right? For a change. So, we are gonna have a look at our groups, just put it everywhere so that everybody knows that we are live. Till then, if you're watching, give me a hi in the chat. Okay, so I'll just done. I'm gonna put it in all the groups and you guys can also follow up. Okie dokie. I'm gonna wait for like 2-3 minutes for everybody to join in since it's a sudden stream. I'll just give everybody a chance to step in the stream. Okay. Give me a sec. I'll just okay. Good morning, Lalit. How are you? आई नो यार, अर्ली मॉर्निंग स्ट्रीम फर्स्ट टाइम, मतलब मेरी खुद की पहली बार है कि मैं आज अर्ली मॉर्निंग स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ. आई हैव नेवर एवर डन इट. तो बट स्टिल कभी कभी कुछ चेंज भी अच्छा लगता है. देर इज़ वीकली कॉन्टेस्ट गोइंग ऑन. आई नो यार, बट अभी जो प्री प्लान्ड है वैसे ही करते हैं. ठीक है सर. द प्रॉब्लम दैट वी आर गोना डू टुडे इज़ index of last occurrence. ठीक है, index of last occurrence, and we are going to solve this problem. Let's see what this actually means. ठीक है, तो इस problem में basically we get an array. ठीक है, imagine that array is 5, 5, 10, or let's take it 5, 10, 10 and another 10 and a 20 and another 20. ठीक है, and now we have to apply binary search over here. ठीक है, और binary search apply करने के बाद we have to find the last occurrence of 10. ठीक है, last occurrence of 10. We have to find it out. Understood? Simple. कोई ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज़ नहीं है. It's very simple. And we have to find the last occurrence. तो यार क्या लगता है, किसी को कोई आइडिया कि हम ये कैसे करेंगे? कोई any random guesses? Any random guess? Why binary? Because first of all, if I do binary search, it's gonna give me less. देखो, सर्चिंग टेक्निक तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि एक्स को सर्च करना है, एंड लीनियर सर्च लगाऊंगा तो टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा. बाइनरी सर्च लगाऊंगा तो थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाएगा, एंड बाइनरी सर्च को रिकर्सिवली लगाऊंगा तो बहुत ही ऑप्टिमाइज सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा. दैट्स वाई आई एम सेइंग कि बाइनरी सर्च ही लगाना है. ठीक है, बाइनरी सर्च ही लगाना है. अंडरस्टूड? समझ आ गई? इसलिए बाइनरी सर्च लगाना है. अब बताओ क्या करें. एनी आइडिया ललित, क्या किया जाए बताओ. करेक्ट क्वेश्चन. तो यार क्वेश्चन तो काफ़ी सही पूछा आपने कि हम ये कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे कि जो मिडिल एलिमेंट है वो लास्ट अकरेंस है या नहीं, राइट? तो यू आर ट्राइंग टू से दैट इफ वी कंसिडर दिस array, it's 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, तो इसका मिडिल एलिमेंट will come out to be low plus high by 2, wherein low is 0, high is 6, by 2 gives me 6 by 2, which is 3. This means this is my middle element, but this is not my last occurrence. और अगर मैं प्लेन बाइनरी सर्च इस पे लगा दूंगा तो प्लेन बाइनरी सर्च से ये आंसर नहीं आएगा. करेक्ट? एम आई राइट? एम आई राइट गाइस? सिंपल बाइनरी सर्च से तो आंसर नहीं आएगा. बात सही है? ओके. एक काम करते हैं, सॉरी, ऐसा करते हैं कि इसका एक फंक्शन लिख के देखते हैं. ठीक है, सिंपल सा फंक्शन लिख के देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. ठीक है, तो यार एक बात बताओ, इफ वी कम अप एंड राइट अ फंक्शन कॉल्ड एज इंट, होल्ड ऑन, ठीक है, and we pass out int array in this. We give out a low, we give out a high, we also give out int x, which we have to actually find out, and we give out int n as well. Int n is the size of the array. I know this is a little weird because this part has never been seen in binary search. ये तो सही है, 1 2 3 4, these are right, but ये वाला search में कभी यूज हमने नहीं देखा, right? Honest question is that have you ever seen this in your binary search, passing out the number of elements in the array? I don't think anybody would have ever seen that, right? तो हम क्या करेंगे यार, इस फंक्शन के अंदर एक सिंपल कंडीशन देखेंगे. इफ लो is greater than high, means if in our iteration low becomes greater than high, we are going to return -1. ठीक है, then we'll find out int mid is equal to low plus high by 2. Simple. Then what we are going to do is that we are going to say if array's middle element, ठीक है, is greater than x, means if we are finding 10 and my middle element becomes 20, means the middle element is greater than x. So in a sorted array, my 10 will lie on the left. So if this is true, then we are going to return same last occurrence, we'll return the array, we'll give low, but rather than giving high, we'll give mid minus 1, we'll give n, right? So, oh, that means given array is always sorted. Yeah, obviously you're applying binary search, right? And then we'll see that if our array middle element is less than x, means if we are finding 20 and if we are finding 10 and our middle element is 20, so sorry. If we are finding 20 and our middle element is 10, means the sorted array states that 20 will be on the right of our array. So what we're going to do? Return last occurrence, give it an array, give it mid plus 1 rather than rather than low, give it a high and give it n. Binary search can also be applied on unsorted array with sorted search range, bro. I learned that in I know. I'm just telling you, for like if you kind of see, it's like maximum number of times we try to consider it by default. Understand? I know we cannot always say that it's going to be applied on a sorted array, but let's just consider it to be by default in this case. Understood? Clear? And then this is going to be else if, I'm so sorry. And now we're going to say else if, now read this very properly. If mid is equal to n minus 1 or array's middle element is equal to array's middle element plus 1. What does this mean? That if in our binary search we get our middle to be somewhere in the end, or we get it somewhere and we just want to check if the element is the last occurrence or not. So there's a simple logic. If you see it's a sorted array and this is the last 10, so the element just after 10 will not be 10. Because if it is 10, this means that it is not the last occurrence. So array middle element should not be equal to array middle plus 1, or array middle element should be the last element, then we can return it to be the last occurrence. Other than that, there is no way it can be the last occurrence. If this is true, then we're going to return mid. Else if, we're going to again call out our last occurrence. And we are going to give out the array mid plus 1. We are going to give out our high and we are going to give out our n. So now you know why did we pass this parameter n over here? Because we are checking the edge case of mid is equal to n minus 1. If the element is the last element, if we are finding 20 over here, then 20 will be over here. And if you apply simple binary search, because if you check this out, this part out here is simple binary search. So if it is present over here, means it's n minus 1, means it is over here. This is the last occurrence, because there is no nth element over here. It's n minus 1 which is the last element. Because if there are 7 elements over here, so there are only going to be 6 indices. Understand? So we check the edge cases by a simple if statement, that either it's going to be n minus 1. Looking at structure, it looks like divide and conquer with binary search. Yeah, I can say that. Or it should not be like two elements together should not be equal. So if you're checking this element out, the next element to it should not be equal. Understood? Simple. If this is true, then we are going to return mid. Else again we are going to recursively call our last occurrence function. Okay. So I hope this was the easiest way of solving last occurrence method. Did you guys understand it? Give me a yes or a no. Were you able to understand it? Tell me. Okay, no, I tried getting your latency to low. The stream latency, I tried getting it to low. So I can also get it to ultra low latency, but if I get it to ultra low latency and my internet lags out, so the stream will get closed. So that's why I don't do that. वरना वापस से बहुत ज़्यादा झंझट होता है टीम को कॉल करो एंड ऑल दैट सो इट्स बेटर टू गो ऑन अ लो लेटेंसी मोड आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स देयर फॉर ऑल द स्ट्रीम्स बट इसके लिए तो करवाया था मैंने सो आई डोंट रियली नो okay so my internet is always on fire the only thing is the stream latency has to be set by the team not by me okay chalo ठीक है guys this was it for the last occurrence problem इसके बाद we'll do a Pascal's triangle problem I guess I'll come live in 10 minutes तो 10 मिनट में वापस मिलते हैं on the same channel and we'll finish up Pascal's triangle also I have a total of 4 streams planned out today I'll complete those 4 streams and then we'll be done for the day ठीक है understood guys okay thank you so much for joining in guys see you guys later like in 10 minutes bye bye take care and have a nice evening have a nice day I'm so sorry I have a habit of saying evening have a nice day sorry first time I'm doing the morning stream